next big thing doesn't always have to be an artist. Once you have talent and you're making a name for yourself, we're gonna find you. Tonight, Richie Rich talks to DMX.
Right now we're up on the North Coast. One of the baddest of them, the legal boss, DMX. DMX, what style now, fam?
No people test, man, I know. NPT, normal, I lie.
You know, go boy, you're DMX right now. You want the hottest thing I say right now, in the North Coast, fam. Is me I say? It's like them say Kingston place to dance and music, you know, but come on North Coast, bro. What I miss that? Your style, bro, and image just.
Remember, Ochi no slow chi, you know. We have his style, you know. Journey start from a young age. Just love music, you know. Cause you say all my mother can DJ, you know. My mother a big artist, you know.
Tell my mother, who you mother be?
My mother named Barbara Henry, you know. We call her Bet, but you know people must call her Lady Bounty. Cause Bounty kill her fear artist, you know.
Yeah.
You dig me? Yeah, bro.
So for them time, you know, it's running like family, some music.
Yeah, man, it's a T4 go dance and them thing. And if you want to find me in a dance, when me younger, they beside the turntable, I watch what I go on.
Try to learn the craft?
Yes, man.
So, what age you start off now professionally and pushed out there and say, this side, this me gonna do?
We started off on a longer time, like, you know, with teens, you know. I got high school, I used to save my lunch money and buy a record from record days, you know.
Which high school that now?
Watch your high school, man, to the world, man. One OCI, one North Coast, man.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man, and save my money buy a record. Used to play a little sound named Outlaw Sound next door. And so that's how we get the thing from till one of my brethren forward from town now come live an exchange and he mash. And he build a little sound giving him Mash International. Yeah. When I sound they build, take every day for every sound exchange, man. You see me? Me I play the sound and look who youth named Dragon, yeah, Liam Dog and we have Pops. You see me? So it just start out from this up. Till if a man get big now, man just branch off and do them things.
See people I'm loving enough for. You as a selector right now, as one of the top men, you see me I say? When they put a post as the DMX man, but no say your action.
Yes man, nice man, only for enjoyment man. Excitement, something different. You think out the box. You know what I mean?
Speaking of outside the box now, what do you see you do a performance at Ocean side? You're part of school, I see you know, you have a million. Oh, what's that now for, you know, you're type of music, you play to the student now, I said, you know, say a school as an honor age. But I see you create a vibe, I see I sing a song for them on the American Cup and they look at dance and the vibe just like, oh, you know?
And you know, me come bust the place, said we and I said, when you think me can bust the place, I have my cup in my hand, my Burger King cup in my hand, and I say,
yeah, I see, I
just bust it, you know, and the whole place just erupt, you know.
We don't really see much on the south side in a Kingston and such like that now. What do you mean for me? Is that you try to work on the Ochi and work on the North Coast and try to fix a side before you go on that side first?
Watch, you know, where the bookings them come in, you know, but as we say, you know, a king can get crowned in him town. You see me? That's what they say, oh, I do my thing, you know. You see me? That's why I try to put out my thing, because them say self-praise is no recommendation, but I'm teaching you something in life. It's a self-praise are the biggest recommendation. If you don't put out yourself, nobody now go do it for you. So I try to advertise my thing out there, put my number out there, put my logo them out there for people to see my thing
so
them
you create
out there.
Content for yourself, because without you, it can't be you, eh?
That is it.
So right now, I'm trying to see it and now, look into it and now. Broadcast commission now, isn't it?
Yeah.
They put up some banner out there right now for the scam and money and certain guns and stuff like that. What do you think about the band right now for? Because me, you drive to a lot in the sessions, you know.
Yeah, well, when me think about it, you don't go through the gate already, you know, from now, you know, from my grandparents, from them time they gun song I make, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
I just one of them things, you know, them put a clamp on it. But watch your style, no? The thing them still send a road called YouTube. If you check the ratio, of them are young people nowadays. YouTube, I feed them media, I feed them radio. YouTube. TikTok around the place now. Them thing there are the platform for that now. So if radio ban it, TV ban it, still YouTube, TikTok, all there.
So you basically feel like the ban is relevant then?
It's relevant.
You don't really stop much?
No.
You don't think so?
No. Remember foolishness selling?
Yeah, but so it's like you have a product, but you, I want a brand ambassador for the product because you represent nice streets. So I can do song, but without the selector, this drop them. It make no sense. You promoter, you did the intro, you play them. What you think about the wrong? Because in the idea, you know, I own the man in the streets.
I see Glock in ideas when Beanie Man and them man they do them. Remember say them do two of the said song, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, one clean, one right.
Alright, so the man them have to just try for fit sitting else in a them thing and make it work.
But broadcast commission basically said, once the song got away there, you can't go. You have to do something one way.
Well, stick to YouTube. That is it.
Let me see if a son go viral, Perry. Another day, another dollar. Talk to me now.
One Perry chops, man.
No people don't say a son at all.
Holy, my real thing, man. Sometimes I tell people, say, oh, I'm a youth. And I say, nah, man, your brother, that man, or your cousin. You say, no look alike, and walk, you see me? I just saw you go. And people, for no see legal boss, panel posters, when you just roll in, when you know say excitement, fun and enjoyment. As a young DJ forward, don't give up. Put in the work. You hear me? Just put in your work and make your work talk. You see, one day, you're going to reach. And I tell you, don't make nobody deprive you and say, yo, him no good and him chat too much and him go and do you.
So DMX talking right now from most selectors, them, you know, them pursue other things in the music industry such as, you know, producing and they actually do songs, you know, because we have all liquid and the man they produce and mix and they have all them songs, huh?
Yeah.
Eh? What about you?
Yeah, man, we freestyle song, man. Because me have a song named Burger King Cup, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? And if me tell you how me get to come up with the idea of that song that you wouldn't believe.
Well, your piece of Burger King Cup.
Yeah?
Want your piece of right now?
Want your piece of it?
Yes, man.
Pull up, link up, everybody drink up. 876, everybody thing up. Bleach out, ink up, white shot, pink shot. And you see, one level with me Burger King Cup. Me party with me Burger King Cup.
DMX start to know what makes you intense.
For you look for me, you know what say it's a whole vibe. You hear?
Still the man that one DMX legal boss. DMX, Mr. Bro.
Follow him on IG to see where he's playing next. Now let's move into the Intense 5. After the win, no sir. So companies are offering loans for the Burna Boy concert coming up. We hear ticket prices are close to 60 grand. No sir, what a stress. So Mariah tried to trademark the name the Queen of Christmas, but she was turned down by US Patent and Trademark. Oh Lord. Congrats to Dan Dan and Chiny K. What a way them dash it power without any form of warning, no sir. And finally holding the spot this week when you declare a public holiday because your team won a football match. Just the match, you know, not the series. Now that is intense. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Sanjizzle and Sav Lucky Dollar hold a reason. We soon forward.